This is a walkthrough and tutorial of the pace calculator template in Coda. And this template is actually meant to be used on a mobile device, so I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. Essentially what this tool does is it helps you calculate what your finish time would be, given you know your time per mile or time per kilometer. And also you can help you figure out what your pace is based on the distance you've run and also the time that it took you to finish that distance. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to show you how this works. So the first thing we're going to try to do is calculate your finish time for popular races like marathons, 5Ks, and 10Ks. The first thing you want to do is select miles or kilometers as your metric. I'm going to pick miles for now. And in step 2, you want to pick your pace per mile or kilometer. So you can click on these buttons to increase or decrease the time by 5 seconds or by a minute. I'm going to decrease it to by a minute. And let's say my per mile time is 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Down here in the finish times, you can automatically see what your finish times would be based on this per mile time. And it automatically calculates in real time as you add and subtract time to your pace. If you want to figure out what your pace would be for a specific race type, let's say you ran your half marathon in 8 minutes. You ran your half marathon in 1 hour and 45 minutes. Your pace per mile will be 8 minutes and 1 second. And you can easily edit this. Let's say I wanted to make this 1 minute and 43 seconds. You can also see your pace there really quickly. If you have a specific race type that's not in this list, let's say you have a 10-mile race type, I could put in my 10-mile race. There's 10 miles. And you can also click on this button here to convert that miles to kilometers. And now you have a 10-mile race type in your tool. If I go back to my pace calculator, and let's say my 10-mile race, I completed it in, let's say, 1 hour, 30 seconds. I have a really fast pace of 6 minutes and 3 seconds per mile. And you'll also see that show up in your finish times, assuming you ran a pace of 7 minutes and 20 seconds. So let's quickly see what this looks like on a mobile device. So on a mobile device, which is probably where you're going to be using this tool, you can quickly see what your finish times are, and you can tap these buttons with your thumb or your finger to see what those times will be as you increase and decrease your pace time. And this tool can be used also offline as well. And hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial.